Good morning, my dear students. Students, today we are going to continue our chapter 5. The name of the chapter is Multiples and Factors. In this chapter, today we are going to continue HCF. The full form of HCF is the highest common factor. Okay, so before starting that HCF, we should know what is a factor. As we have already done in the last class, let's recapitulate it. Factors are the numbers you multiply together to get a product. Okay, like for example, the product 24 has several factors like 24. You will multiply 1 and 24 to get 24 as a product. So in the first part, 1 and 24 is the factor of 24. Next, 2 when multiplied by 12, what product we will get? We will get 24. So we can say that 2 and 12 are the factors of 24. Let us talk about the another, that is 8 3s are 24. So 8 multiplied by 3, we will get product it as 24. So 8 and 3 is also a factor of 24. Let's talk about another factors, that is 6 4 24. 6 4s are 24. So 6 and 4 is also a factor of 24. So the factors are, from the top if we see, 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24. So these are the factors of 24. Okay, let us now talk about HCF. What is an HCF? The highest common factor of two or more numbers is the greatest of all their common factors. The highest common factor of two or more number. What is the highest common factor of two or more number? It is the greatest. Highest means the greatest of all their common factors. Means in HCF we have to find out the greatest common factor. Okay, that greatest common factor is known as the highest common factor of two or more numbers. Okay, let us take an example. Let us find out HCF of 12 and 8. If we see, the factors of 12 are 1. 1 is always a factor of every number. Okay, and number itself is always a factor of every number. Okay, so what are the factors of 12? 1 and 2. 12 is coming in the table of 2. So 12 is exactly divisible by 2. 3 is also divide 12 exactly. 4, yes. 6 12. So 1 2 3 4 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. Now let us talk about the 18. 1 2 3 6 9 18. All these are the factors of 18. Okay, out of these we have to find out the common factors. You can see the common factors are underlined with the colored pen. 1, in both the number 1 is present, so 1 is the common factor. In both the number 2 is present, it is also a common factor. In both the number 3 is also present, so 3 is also a common factor of 12 and 18. And then 6 is also a common factor of 12 and 18. Now, out of these 4 factors, 1, 2, 3, 6, we have to find the highest factor, highest common factor. So 1 is not the highest, 2 is not the highest, 3 is not the highest. So 6 is the highest common factor. So HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. Now, let us take an example to understand the HCF. Okay, example 1, HCF of 10 and 15. Let us see what are the factors of 10. 1 2 5 10. Okay, what are the factors of 15? 1 3 5 15. These all are the factors of 15. Now we have to find out the common factors. From it, 1, the color digit 1 is a common factor of 10 and 15, and 5. 5 is also a common factor of 10 and 15. So we have to write 1 and 5. Now we will find out the HCF of 10 and 15. How we will find out? We will see out of 1 and 5 which is the highest common factor. Okay, so 5, here 5 is the highest number, so it is a highest common factor of 10 and 15. So we can say that HCF of 10 and 15 is 5. Prime and composite number. So what are prime numbers and composite numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers that have only two factors, 1 and number itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 31. These numbers are having only two factors. Now let us talk about the composite number. Composite numbers are those numbers which are having more than two factors. Okay, like 4. The factor of 4 are 1, 2, 4. So there are three factors of 4. Okay, it is more than two factors. So 4 is a composite number. 6 is also a composite number. 18 is also a composite number. 30 is also a composite number, and 100 is also a composite number. So student, I hope you all have understand it. So kindly do exercise 5.5 and 5.6 in your rough notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.